Welcome to Lavoro, the specialists in height adjustable furniture. Lavoro is born out of years of experience in the furniture market, and we identified a need for high quality, height adjustable desks at prices that were affordable. Standing up to work has been proven to increase your metabolism by up to 10%. Standing up can also increase productivity. We have less of a tendency to relax or to daydream when we're standing up. We have a lot more focus on the job in hand. Our desks are manufactured in the UK and Europe to the highest possible standard. This means that all of our products are durable, reliable, and built to stand the test of time. So, at Lavoro, we have amazing products, large stock holding, and free next day delivery nationwide.